Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Victor and I am from India. Today we are going to practice English shadowing with a topic that's perfect for B1 to B2 learners. My daily routines. Shadowing means you will listen to me speak, then repeat after me to improve your pronunciation, rhythm, and fluency. I will speak clearly and at a moderate pace. This script is written like an essay, so it flows naturally from introduction to conclusion. Along the way, I will weave in useful phrases and idioms related to daily life. I will highlight them in bold when I say them and explain them briefly so you can learn and use them in your own conversations. Ready? Let's start shadowing. My daily routines. In the hustle and bustle of modern life, having a structured daily routine helps me stay productive and balanced. As an early riser, I believe in the idiom the early bird catches the worm, which means that people who start their day early often achieve more success. So let's dive into how a typical day unfolds for me. I usually wake up at the crack of dawn around 5:30 am when the first rays of sunlight filter through my window. This phrase wake up at the crack of dawn simply means getting up very early in the morning, right as the day begins. Instead of hitting the snooze button, that's when you press the alarm to sleep a few more minutes. I jump out of bed and kickstart my day with some light stretching and meditation. Kickstart my day is a useful expression for beginning your morning energetically. Next, I head to the kitchen to grab a quick bite. Breakfast is essential, so often I have a simple meal like idli or paratha with chai, which gives me the fuel I need. Grab a quick bite is an idiom for eating something fast, especially when you are in a hurry. After that, I hit the gym for about 45 minutes. Exercise helps me stay on the top of my game, meaning I remain sharp and efficient throughout the day. By 7:30 am, I'm ready to commute to work. Living in a bustling city like Mumbai, I take the local train, which can be quite an adventure during rush hour. Commute to work is a common phrase for traveling from home to your job. At the office, my workday begins with checking emails and planning tasks. I try to tackle the most challenging projects first, following the advice to eat the frog, an idiom that means doing the hardest task early so the rest feels easier. Around noon, I take a short break to recharge my batteries. That's re energizing myself with a light lunch, perhaps some rice and dal. In the afternoon, I focus on meetings and collaboration, making sure to keep the ball rolling on team projects. This phrase means to maintain progress without stopping. As evening approaches, I wrap up my workday by 6 pm and head home. Wrap up is useful for finishing something neatly. Once home, I wind down with family time, maybe chatting over dinner or watching a bit of TV. Wind down means to relax and slow down after a busy day. If I have extra work, I might burn the midnight oil, staying up late to finish it, but I avoid that when possible, as rest is key. Finally, by 10 pm, it's time to hit the hay. This fun idiom means going to bed. I reflect on the day, feeling grateful, and aim for a good night's sleep to prepare for tomorrow. In conclusion, my daily routines keep me grounded and motivated. Whether you are an early bird like me or someone who prefers a slower start, building habits with these phrases can make your English sound more natural. Remember, practice makes perfect. Shadow this script a few times and you will notice improvements. There you have it. Pause the video after each paragraph to shadow me. If you learn something new like those idioms, drop a comment below with your favorite one. Don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the notification bell for more English learning videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.